Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot find any games on a Google Play Store in Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. To do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store, and right here let's try to find a game like Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's no results that we're looking for. And to fix this, again, let's go back. Here in the home page, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Enter Family, Parental Controls, and right here either disable parental controls entirely with a switch or go for apps and games. Insert the PIN code and increase the PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and now when we go back and try to find the game again, it is right here and we can either play or download it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.